Good afternoon, LC people. Well, I said I'd give you a bit of an update. I've had a bit of an odd day. Half a day I've spent going to fetch this engine for this bike that I'm doing on the bench. So yeah, that's collected. Obviously we had both the covers for this powder coated. It'll look very nice when it's all reassembled. I looked at the forks, and these forks, for some reason, it looks like where the mudguard bolts on, they've been cut short. These bits. So I'm not happy about that. I'll find some others for that. Job for tomorrow. What can I tell you? The tyres are now fitted on these, and I've just reassembled brand new discs. They look very nice. I painted the sprocket carrier at the back there. Basically, these are assembled, ready to go in the rolling chassis. Very happy about that. That was a nice afternoon's work. Very enjoyable putting new parts on. Now, some of you are going to ask me, where are the discs from, Dave? And you know what? I honestly don't know. I don't know if they're from Yambits or from somewhere else. Now, I've saved the bags so you guys can have a look. They're from a company called... Where is it? See it on here somewhere. All Bike Engineering, ABE. So if you Google these guys, they'll be able to give you a price. Right, what else? I've got to clean up that. I painted one down there, but until it dries, I'm not 100% sure about it. I've painted some of these, and then I found some powder coated ones. Silly boy. So yeah, I've not really unpacked anything else. Those tyres were my tyres, they were for my bike. But Steve's going to order me some more, because I've still got wheels I want to do for mine. I had some barrels come. Big shout out to my mate Shane in Australia. He sent me some matching barrels that have the one on them, which were the right ones. 1.5 overbore, but they came with Wizarco pistons. I was really happy about that. So I've sent them off to the powder coaters to have them gloss blacked. They'll come back maybe next week. I'd started on this wheel yesterday, and I'd cleaned up all the alley. I degreased the back one. I've still got the front one to do. They were for my tyres. That was my day yesterday, but the plans changed as I explained. So my bike, yeah, it's getting there. Got a crank for it. Got the barrels now. The casings should be back in the next 2 weeks. So you never know. By April time, I could have my new motor fitted. Happy days. Yeah, I've not gone through the boxes yet. Obviously, I will do. But tomorrow, like I say, to get this rolling chassis together, I've got to do the forks, I've got to do the inner mud guard, and then basically, I've got nearly everything to make the rolling chassis basically there. I like unpacking. It'll look very nice. But overjoyed about the wheels. Yeah, like I say, the engine's back for it. I've got to do a loom for it. So work's cut out, really, to get this bike sorted out. I think it's got to be finished for the end of April, which is okay, that's fine, provided nothing else comes in the way of that. As you know, when I rebuild something, we've got still scratching for bits and pieces, looking around through the boxes of stuff over in the corner there, what we actually have for the two bikes that we're building. I keep going through it and keep finding out the bits as I need them. But I'm quite sure Steve will come and say, oh yeah, we've got some of these, they're hiding here or they're hiding there. He's a bugger for squirrel things away, is our Steve. That's all I can really tell you for now. Like I say, tomorrow I'm hopeful that by sort of late afternoon, to get the forks in it and the wheels and suspension, and it sat here on a centre stand. I'd love to tell you that, but tomorrow's another day, and who knows, Steve might turn around and say, no, something else happening. But we'll see. You never know. I think this blue one's sold. I'm not 100% sure. I think one or two people had been asking about it. I'm surprised, really. But, you know, there's always another LC comes up. It should have the clocks changed on it to mile per hour ones. I think they got the kilometre clocks that come with it, but I'd have liked to have left it all kilometres, to be fair, to be really honest with a bike. Very genuine sort of European import, this. Like it. Yeah, gave mine a bit of a polish the other day. Yeah. One day. The brakes hopefully will be resolved. But when I take it out for a ride, we'll see. Anyway, folks, I'll keep updated tomorrow. But thanks for watching. Keep watching the progress on this because it's going to look very, very nice. I love it when we go all out and it's a real good thing. You know, motors redone and all the bits and pieces. Very happy. Anyway, thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.